Alright guys, let me show you the power of Facebook design. The UI, everything is so perfect, so animated, that you cannot even type your email. Look, every time I try to type one character, then it will keep flickering. It will just go up and down, up and down. I don't know what's going on. So one way I did it is I type my account on another browser, or I just want to copy it and then I don't have to type it, So I just copy my email, which is insanely smart. Oh my gosh, that's what my Sci Degree is for, bro. Now I can type my password. It's the same thing. Just do it on the other text box. Alright, now I just did it.